In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create expenses tracker in Google Sheets from scratch. Start by opening Google Sheets and going to your expense report spreadsheet. Once it is open, take a moment to look over the layout so you understand what each section is for. You want this file to be easy to scan, easy to update, and consistent each time you add a new expense. Now begin working across the sheet by clicking into the highlighted areas you see. Each highlight is guiding you to the next place that needs attention. When you click a highlighted cell, focus on what it represents in the report, such as a heading, a label, or a value that will be used to summarize your spending. Move from one highlighted area to the next, clicking each one in order, so you do not miss any part of the template. As you continue clicking through the highlighted spots, keep your formatting consistent. For example, headings should look like headings, and totals should stand out from regular entries. If you are adjusting cells that contain amounts, make sure they are treated as numbers so your totals calculate correctly. If you notice any cells that are meant to be emphasized, keep that emphasis uniform so the report stays clean and readable. Keep following the highlights across the report, clicking each one. This is a simple but important workflow because it forces you to verify every key field the tracker depends on. Take your time here. Accuracy matters more than speed, especially for any cells that affect calculations or summaries. As you reach the later highlighted areas, you are typically reviewing the final parts of the report, where totals, summary sections, or final formatting details tend to sit. Click the remaining highlighted cells one by one until you have covered them all. If anything looks out of place, correct it while you are there so you do not have to hunt for it later. Once you have clicked through the final highlighted area, your expense report layout is fully reviewed and ready for ongoing use. From here, you can begin entering and tracking expenses consistently inside the structure you just confirmed. That covers everything you need to know.